A very good morning, one and all. Happy to meet you all back in our French session. And in this class, we are going to learn the left out alphabet. As in English, we have 26 letters in French. But the sound or pronunciation is different. So, in this class, we are going to learn S to Z. Let's begin. S T The U V W X Y Z. So, this time kindly repeat along with me. S T The U V W X Y Z. So, let us see some words starting with this alphabets. S Sanj, which means monkey. Toi, which means train. Uniform, which means uniform in English. Wash, which means cow. Wi-Fi, which means Wi-Fi in English. Xylophone, which means xylophone in English. Here, which means eyes. Zebra, which means zebra in English. A B C D E F G H I J A L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. So, kindly listen to this video 2 to 3 times and practice the French alphabet. Merci.